How to disable notifications in the Encode app. If you have been using the Encode app and now you want to stop the notifications that keeps on buzzing on your phone and you don't know how to do it, don't worry, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Encode application, just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now tap on to settings at the top right corner right here. Select it. Then here you can find notifications right here. Now to turn it off, simply tap onto this button right here. Now select it. And by doing this, you can see the notifications are now turned off. Now you will not get any notifications on your mobile phone. And that's it. This is how you can disable the notifications in the Encode app. It is a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.